Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect a Dell monitor to a laptop. First, check the ports on both your laptop and your Dell monitor. The most common connection is HDMI, which carries both video and audio through one cable. Newer laptops may use USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, while some devices also support DisplayPort. Make sure you know which ports are available on each device. If the ports match, you can use a standard cable to connect them. If they are different, you will need an adapter. Next, power off both the laptop and the monitor. Connect one end of the cable to your laptop and the other end to the Dell monitor. Make sure the connection is secure. Also confirm that the monitor is connected to a power outlet and turned on. Now turn on your laptop. Windows will usually detect the monitor automatically. If you need to choose how the display works, press the Windows key and P on your keyboard. You will see several options. Duplicate shows the same screen on both devices. Extend creates a larger workspace and allows you to move windows between screens. Second screen only displays everything on the Dell monitor. For additional settings, open Start, go to Settings, select System, and then Display. Here you can arrange the screens, change the resolution, and choose which display will be your main monitor. Once your preferred settings are applied, your Dell monitor is ready to use with your laptop. Thanks for watching.